Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Lexus ES350. So I'm going to talk about how to delete your personal data. This is from 2013 to 2017 model year. Okay, before we get started, please remember to subscribe. You will be notified new videos. Hit the bell icon. And please help me with a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, first thing you need to do is hit the menu button over here. Okay, then you go to the display, and the display you want to look for setup. Setup is right here. Then next you need to go to general, way at the end over here. Okay, from there you go all the way to the cursor to scroll down, which is all the way to the right side. So you get the pointer over there. Scroll down to delete personal data. There it is. See, just move this pointer down a little bit. Then you click on it. Of course, you push down at it. Then it's going to ask you to confirm your delete. You hit delete to confirm. Okay. So the next thing you need to do is actually going to ask you again, and you want to say yes to delete. So it's going to delete. Note this process takes quite a few seconds. I don't think it takes more than 2 minutes, but be patient till it finishes. So I also at the same time, don't turn off your vehicle. Leave your vehicle on while it's deleting. And once you delete, then you're all done. Simple as that. Remember to delete your personal information. Then you click and do other stuff you need later on. That's the video. Hope it helps you. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.